Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to create an image carousel in WordPress. As you see here, when this web page loads for the first time, you will see it automatically moving on its own, just like the way it is. So that is what we call an image carousel. You see, that is an image carousel. In order to create this on your WordPress website, this is how you can do it. First of all, you log into the WordPress admin dashboard. So this is it. Then you open to the page where you want to create a carousel. So for example, you come to pages. So to open that in a new tab. So these are the pages of the website. So say I want to create it on the home page. So you come and then you click on what? Edit with Elementor. So you click on edit with Elementor. So it is opening me to that page I have selected. So when it opens, you scroll down and go to the section where you want to add it. So for example, this is the one I added. If you are going to add a new one, you just have to click on the plus at the place where you want it. Then come to click on this one and then select flexbox. Select one column. Then after that is added, you will come here and click on the add element symbol, and then you now type carousel. So this is an image carousel. So you drag it and add it here. So if you add it, what you just have to do is to come here and then you see images, no images selected. So you click on it, go to upload file and select all the images you want to add. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will advise you that when you are adding the images, make sure they are of the same aspect ratio and the same resolution, the same size and aspect ratio. If not, you will see that some of them, they will be clearer, some will not be clearer, some will be well positioned, some will not be well positioned. So you have to do that, because when you come here, for example, I experienced those problems, but I had to make sure that I resize all of them. So the sizes were now the same. So as you see, they are all the same size. So I added them and then publish. So you just click. If you even add and publish and you want to make any change, just come and click on the edit, and then it will take you back. You can rearrange. You can rearrange or remove anything you don't want. What will show at the top here will be number 1, and what will show here will be the last. And it will always play from the beginning to the end. You can reverse the order. You can rearrange it any way of your choice. And then when you come here, you have some few settings to do. You can decide. So you see, this is the custom resolution I used. It's 280 by 280. That I use for all of them. And then you can indicate. You can customize the navigation. So you see the buttons. You can customize all those buttons. If you don't want them to show, you can come here. Even these dots that you see here, you can choose whether you want dots or arrows or anything. Then also, just going to go back. You can also choose how long each of them should play. So as you see, it is currently scrolling. You can choose how long each of them it should take before it moves to the next one. To do that, you come to additional options. Then you see the time here, animation speed. So instead of 500, I'm going to make it 300. Okay, let me just. No, the auto play speed is the one we are rather supposed to change. So instead of 5,000, we'll make it 3,000. So then I will now publish it. So I'm coming to remove the other one I added because I don't really need it. Yeah, then I'll publish it. If I publish it, these figures that I put there will take effect. Yeah, they will take effect. So I am published. So when you publish it, you can now come and then check it. Yeah, so now the speed has increased and it is also showing clearly. That is exactly how you can add an image carousel, or you can add a slider, image slider to your WordPress website. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.